How to play Telegram videos on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to play Telegram videos on iPhone. This is going to be really quick and easy, so let's get started and open Telegram. This is a Telegram conversation with one of my friends, and as you can see, upon opening our chat, one of the videos he sent already started playing. If you want to watch it on full screen, all you need to do is tap on it, and it should also start playing with sounds. That's an easy one, but there are also times when a video is sent as an attachment and it looks just like this one on top of the first video we played. Playing videos sent like this is very simple. All you need to do is tap on the file and you should see play buttons in the middle of the screen and at the bottom right corner of the page. If there are no problems with the file, the video should automatically play upon tapping on the play button in the middle of the screen or at the bottom right corner of the page. There are some instances when this doesn't work, and if that is what you're experiencing, you don't have to worry because there's an easy fix for that. All you have to do is tap on this save icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you have to select Save to Files from the following options. And then just save the video to any of the location on the Files app. As for me, I'd like to see it under on my iPhone, so let me go there. And I'll tap on the save icon at the top right corner of the page. After saving the video, you have to go back to your home screen and then go to the Files application. It looks just like this. And then you have to look for the file you saved from Telegram. Just tap on the file to maximize it and then tap on the play button in the middle of the screen. Your video should then start playing, and that's how easy it is to play Telegram videos on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.